Hallo liebe Leute, wir sind bei...
Hey everybody, we are in the Jugendhilfe in Solingen.
Lass uns reingehen.
Let's go inside and see what young people can do here.
Was ist die
What is the Jugendhilfe-Werkstatt?
Die Jugendhilfe-Werkstatt ist eine Werkstatt.
Is a workshop where young people who are usually not yet employed full-time, so under 18 years old, can work. They learn trade here, for example with metal or wood. In the end, they have learned a lot and can learn a profession, and they can get their Hauptschulabschluss. We make small pieces of art. For this we are also relatively known. The things which are produced here will, for example, be bought by people, or they put the pieces of art somewhere because they are very beautiful.
Für wen ist die Jugendhilfe?
For who is the Jugendhilfe-Werkstatt? Which qualification do you need to participate?
Wir sind da für Jugendliche, bei denen es nicht so gut läuft.
We are here for teenagers who have some difficulties, for example, for those who don't go to school anymore, because they are tired of school or because they cannot follow the teaching anymore.
Oder die ganz verschiedene Probleme haben. Wir sind auch da für Flüchtlinge, die in der Schule Schwierigkeiten haben.
We are also here for refugees who have problems at school, where people say that they should learn a trade and go to school when they finish it.
Ist das schwer für dich?
Is this difficult for you?
A little. My arms have some pains.
Möchtest du auch das machen? Nein.
Do you want to do this?
No.
Why not?
No, I just don't want to.
It's fun.
Have you done it once before?
No, I have never done it.
Lustig? Ja. Gefällt dir das oder nicht?
Ja, sehr gut. Ne? Ich lasse das in mein Zimmer.
Ja. Okay. Danke.
What are the working times?
Wir fangen an morgens um 8 Uhr.
We start at 8 o'clock in the morning and have usually in the week from Monday to Thursday until 15:30 and Friday until 12:30.
Und welche Perspektive?
What perspective do I have when I join this?
The perspective that the teenager have is first of all that they learn about work life. They learn things like punctuality, how I behave at the workplace, how trade works. Can I work with my hands? Many have no idea if they have the talent, and people learn to live with each other because we are a very small group and work together every day. We learn how to deal with trainers and the supervisors. These are all the things which people can learn here and need for the training and work later.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.